Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to share some information I had with regards to the locking mechanism on the charging handle and some problems I ran into. So I'll start off by just reviewing what the locking pin mechanism is. So I'm going to see if I can get a good shot of the locking pin actually extending when I lock the car. Let's take a quick look. And then we will unlock it. So a quick overview, what I had done was went to the charging station, plugged in the car, and then held down the preconditioning button that I reprogrammed on the key fob and enabled the preconditioning, and then proceeded to lock the car and then went off for some other errands. And when I came back, then I unlocked the car and went around to the charging handle and found out that the locking pin was still engaged. And even though I stopped and started the car, I could not get the locking pin to disengage at that point, although later the locking pin worked fine. So something happened that caused the locking pin to not disengage with the unlock of the car for that particular cycle. Although afterwards I've done it again to try to replicate it, and I haven't been able to get it to replicate. I've shown this before, where if you need to release the locking mechanism on the charge controller, you can pull this foam block out. And there's two blue plugs you can pull. One is for the locking mechanism, and the other one is for the charge door release as well. So when I got home, I went to my CAD program and printed up a simple push stick that I could use with my on my key ring. So made out of plastic, so it's non-conductive, and then 3D printed it up. And then this is how you would use it. You would just use it to push over the top of the charge handle to push the pin back to be able to then release the charge handle if it happens to get stuck. I would recommend not pushing if it's jammed. You might have to try something else, because there is a possibility of damaging it. In summary, I just wanted to mention that it is possible there may be situations where the locking pin for the charge handle will not release for whatever reason, and you need to be prepared for that. And I would recommend having something that's a non-metallic device that you can actually push the locking pin back in and be able to release the charge handle and drive off. So as always, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe and check out the other videos on the channel.